Ich habe Rearrangement of Yiddish Musik zu spielen mit der Symphony Orchestra. To the Symphony Orchestra, Brazilian Symphony Orchestra, from São Paulo, from Belo Horizonte, from Bahia. Always, when this goes the possibility, I take the Brazilian Symphony Choir. It was a time that we had 180 people singing in the Brazilian Yiddish Choir. And I made many arrangements from Yiddish folklore, Hebrewisch folklore, and Brazilian folklore also. I made embraced the Brazilian Hebrew and Portuguese music, because the Portuguese music has many things to do with Brazilian. You know, in the last times está bom? Tá bom, está muito bom. As difficult because not only because the language, it's also because the emotion. The emotion is more difficult than the language.